Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Navneet and welcome to Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. So I was reading this LinkedIn post, which is very interesting, where author said he receives a message, or I don't know. Yesterday I received this photo message. I believe some student reached out to him and asked him, "Hey, I received this 40,000 cloud bill. What I should be doing?" Right? Again, rightly said. It's a scary thing if you get 40,000, and especially if you are an student or individual, right? uh, so I thought, like, why I can't just make a video and explain you how you can prevent yourself with such exercise or such such surprise. So I will be going and showcasing you how it can be done. So you will be going into your AWS console. You will be going into the budget. So it will be it comes under the billing and cost management. You will be going for the budgets, right? So what budget do is it let you create how much, like any budget, right? How much you're looking to spend for your cloud, and what should be your cloud will look like, and you want to get notified for it. So I will be going and creating this budget. So it has a simplified version for you to create. Other one is you are having this more customized version to create. So we will be going for each of it. In this case, if you are a student, you will be able to looking for this one, zero spend budget. So it means, like, as you have been, if you first time created your AWS account, you must have got something called free tier, which has been valid for a year, and again every service has its own free tier limit. You have to go and validate those, right, what the free tier looks like for each service. But again, if you are a student, most of the time that AWS free tier serve your purpose. So what we're looking to do is we will be going with zero spend budget, and it's very as simple. You will be selecting this one, you will be providing the name, you will be going and providing the email where you're looking to get the notification. So every time, as soon as your budget reaches 0.1 cent above the free tier limit, you will be getting this notification. So this way it will be easy, and hey, this is, you have already reached your budget. Now you can be cautious while you will be working with AWS services. So having this guardrails is super important. As I said, like, you can go and explore what all things are there in a free tier. The next is you wanted to have your monthly cost budget, and that's where you will be going and setting this. Hey, I wanted to have this budget limit of 1,000, and I wanted to have notification being sent at a point of time. So email.com. This can be done. There are two more options. I will let you guys explore. Other is this customized thing, right? So you will be going and creating this customization. It said, hey, the cost, because Cost Explorer is not enabled, AWS budget does not have the access to your billing data. This limit to create the some budget types. So we will be not having this usage budget. We are not having this saving plan budget. We are not having the reservation plan budget because we do not have this Cost Explorer. However, we already have this cost budget, which will be even recommended by AWS. So what we're going to do next? So we will be going next here, and we will be providing your budget name. So I will be calling it monthly budget, or AWS monthly budget, right? More appropriate name. It's going to be monthly. You can have a daily, quarterly, annually, but most people monthly will be fine. Or even for a student, you want to go maybe daily, and so this way if you have something up and running, maybe you want to go and shut down, right? Hey, if you forget to your EC2 up and running, that can be done as well. So I will be setting my monthly budget of $1,000, and I will be going and looking for all the services. So this way I will be ensuring all the services are code. If you want to put some kind of a tag, that can be an optional, but you can put that, hey, whether it's your product account, whether it's a test account, whether it's a dev account, anything, right? For the student, maybe you want to have put like, hey, this is what I'm using for my project X, this is I'm using for my project Y. Once done, you will be going and adding the alerts, right? For alerts, this is where you want it to be triggered. I say, hey, I want it to be triggered as soon as I will be reaching my 50%, right? And so this way it will be sending you the alert at 50%. You can add many more thresholds. So I wanted to have 50%, and then I want to go with 80%, right? Once I will be reaching to my 80%, and then so on. So that can be done. So here what I will be doing is I will be giving an email notification. It also let you send to through your message, right? Through your mobile, using this SNS and all, that can be able to configure, right? So you can able to message yourself, you're able to call yourself or pager yourself or send it to the Slack, etc. So there are I believe four delivery methods are available using the SNS. Then also you have an option to use AWS chatbot alerts, which allow you to send to Chime, Slack, Amazon, Teams, chat room, etc. right? So that can be done as well. And once you are here, again, I will be demo@gmail.com, going next. And once you are here, reviewing everything, looks fine, you will be going and creating your budget. So this, what happened is, as soon as you will be reaching your 50% of your budget amount, that is $1,000 in my case, it can be anything for you, or you will be reaching to 80% of your budgeted amount, like which is 800, 500 in this case, and you will be getting alerted, right? So it is as simple as you will be able to ensure you will be getting alerted. So again, right, having guardrails are important to avoid such such surprises. Like, okay, if I'm a student, if I'm receiving this 40,000 cloud bill, I won't be happy for sure. Okay, so hopefully you find this video helpful, and if yes, provide your comment and feedback. Thank you.